A child lifts a loose block of flooring, unearths a page of poetry written in an ancient hand. It bends time along an edge curl, turns a corner as ripples in old windows extract colour from light. Her eyes read an instinct. A language daubs its blot on her spectrum, dips in cursive loops beyond the straight lines. It bleeds deep into hairy fibres, and she drinks it from her hands. She rolls in the wave of its dog ears until zigzags distract. Her horizon hardens to a surface. She grows to be felled as burnished trees furnish the ground space, flatten to an oaky grain. Her fingers must carve their own seat in time, push sawdust in the gaps, root herringbone to home.